the onboard transfer pump or manually with the load disinfectant function. The automatic transfer pump minimizes operator exposure to vapors by loading the disinfectant directly from the disinfectant container into the reservoir. To perform this, locate the reservoir to disinfectant filter connection and disconnect them at the red connection. Fully remove and replace the old disinfectant filter. Locate the transfer pump tubing segment with the red male end and the female cream-colored end. Connect the red male end to the red female end of the reservoir assembly. Note, on earlier DSD models, the female end of the reservoir tubing may be cream-colored. Connect the cream-colored female end of the transfer pump tubing segment to the cream-colored male end of the three-way valve located on the transfer pump. Locate the transfer pump tubing segment with the red female end and the long rigid end with rubber seal. Connect the red female end to the male red-colored end of the disinfectant filter. Note, on earlier models, the male end of the disinfectant filter may be cream-colored. Place the rigid end with rubber seal of the transfer pump tubing into a full disinfectant container. Rotate the three-way valve handle of the transfer pump until it points out from the sidewall of the DSD cabinet, which also indicates the direction that fluid will flow, which in this case is into the reservoir. Locate the manual pump switch on the upper right side of the cabinet wall labeled Chemical Loading Switch. Press and hold the switch until all disinfectant has been pumped into the reservoir, and repeat with a new disinfectant container until 4 gallons has been pumped into the reservoir. Rotate the three-way valve handle back and return all tubing connections back to their original positions. After the reservoir has been filled by the onboard transfer pump, rinse the feeding tube with water. Do not kink the tube during storage. Wrap aside